If your garage opens but won't close, you may have a sensor eye issue. A few simple fixes to check for are blocked, misaligned, dirty sensors, or sunlight interference. Sensor eyes are located on your vertical track, 4 to 6 inches from the ground and 7 inches from the wall. One sensor will send a signal to the other, which receives it. A green LED marks the sending sensor, while the red LED marks the receiving sensor. Notice the flashing LED when the receiver is blocked. In this example, the door still opens despite the sensor obstruction. However, the obstruction must be removed for the door to close. The LEDs will signal a clear path by returning to a solid color. Check both of your sensors and the area in between for obstructions. Also, double check the sensors are aligned with one another. To adjust them, loosen the bolt on the track and retighten once properly aligned. Additionally, remove any dirt, cobwebs, or other debris on the sensor lens as well. If your garage is prone to harsh sunlight, exposed sensors may suffer from interference when sending or receiving signals. To solve this, reposition the sensor eyes off the track, further back into a less sunny section of wall. Make sure to keep the sensor 4 to 6 inches from the ground and aligned when relocating. Two-car garages should have receiving sensors facing opposite directions as shown in this diagram. This will keep one sensor from accidentally triggering both garages. If neither LEDs are illuminated, then you have lost power and the door will not operate. Check your opener is securely plugged in. The wall button will glow when power is restored. Blown fuses may also be a cause for no opener power.